Hi, I'm Nick from the Carpet Guys, and I'm here in Detroit with Mr. and Mrs. Owens, who purchased this beautiful sheet vinyl floor from us. The style name is Great Basin. The color is Fireside, and we did put it into your dining room and also into the kitchen.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. And guys, how'd you guys hear about the Carpet Guys?
Well, on TV, I was watching TV one Sunday.
And you saw our commercial.
Exactly.
All right, fantastic. How is your design consultant, Dan DeKemp?
He was very good.
And helpful.
Helpful. He brought
Yes.
samples out. You guys
Yes.
end up picking this beautiful flooring. And how about our installers, Mario and Mario Jr.?
They were really
Perfect.
great.
Yes.
They did a great job for you guys.
Great job.
All right, fantastic. One last question. Would you guys recommend to your friends and family?
Yes.
All right, well, thank you
Most
very
definitely.
much. Welcome to the Carpet Guys family, and enjoy your new flooring.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right.